Hi Moms on the Go. This is a tutorial on the app called Ibotta, and this is to show you how to redeem a receipt through Ibotta, and you earn rebate cash back by doing so. So this is a really neat app. You're already shopping, so you're already going to be purchasing these things, so why not get money back for them? So here we go. First thing you do, you're on Ibotta, you've clicked into the app, and what you do is scroll over to the store. So we're doing HEB for this particular receipt. So then there's a list of all the items that you're going to get rebates for. Fruity Pebbles, ice cream. So what we're going to do now is I've checked a few things already. So what I'm actually going for is the ice cream. And you see the pink and the white there. That means that any type of ice cream, you'll get 25 cents back. So any kind of savings is great savings to me. So then I already checked that. So what I'm going to do is go back. And I'm going to go at the very top under HEB where it says upload receipt. And then it tells you there the instructions. So you press continue. And you'll take a picture of the receipt. And then you click finish. And then it asks, what did you buy? And then I'm going to click the ice cream. And they add that. And so it checks this right here. Verify one purchase. Sending the receipt. 100%. Sometimes the app will ask you to take a picture of your barcode. So if it does, make sure that you don't throw your items away before you check to see if there's a rebate on it, because you may need it to scan your barcode. And for this particular one, I didn't. So then either you redeem another receipt or you click done. So I'm going to click done. And then there you go. And that shows you how much money I have on my Ibotta earnings already. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this, and please share, like, and follow me on YouTube.